Hello students, if you recall in the last lecture we have identified the transverse component for the TEM mode, and I have given you an homework in order to identify the transverse components for the other dominant mode, that is TE mode. Fine. So in the next lecture we're going to talk about all these things. We have already identified the transverse component in the direction of the propagation for the TE and TM modes. So we're going to proceed further in the derivation that we have stopped in the last lecture, and after completion of this second order homogeneous equation derivative, we will going to end up with these kind of components that are actually involved in the rectangular waveguide. So we're going to identify, or we're going to derive this hx, hy, ex, ey components for the different TE and TM mode. And after derived these components, we will going to identify the different parameters corresponding to those modes. Basically, the cutoff frequency, the cutoff wavelength, the phase, and the group velocity can be identified using the help of the transverse and the tangential component that we're going to derive in the next lecture. So the next lecture is more of an analysis kind of view in terms of the field component that exists inside the rectangular waveguide. After that, we, on the basis of the equations that we're going to derive, we're going to see some of the field that corresponds to the different different orientations inside the different cross-sectional view of a rectangular waveguide. And after doing that, we're going to take up a few questions so that you can get a more clear idea about the field distribution. So see you all in my next class. Goodbye.